Hello students. Now question number 87. Question number 87 what actually talking about that? Identify the correct statement or correct orders against the property mentioned below. Now here they given that A statement what happened H2O, NH3, CHCl3. Water, ammonia, chloroform they given. They're asking whether the given order of dipole moment is correct or wrong. Right. Now here key concept involved in this case. Key concept involved here is key concept chemical bonding, right? So bonding, chemical bonding. So here dipole moment involved, right? Geometry, VSPR will be involved, right? These are the things are bond order will be involved in this case, bond order. So these on the combination of these topics will be the question based on now. Now, statement A, what actually is talking about the dipole moment. That is dipole moment mu is equal to. So here D into Q. That means D refer the size size into charge charge. That means mu depends on size as well as a charge. Now, first we'll see here, given the statement is correct or wrong. Oxygen is more electronegative compared to nitrogen. That means what happened? H2O having the more dipole, that is perfectly correct. Then after NH3, NH3 is less electronegative atom compared to oxygen, so this will be lesser than oxygen. Now CHCl3, chlorine is not that much of electronegative. So suppose if we see here how the structure looks like. Suppose you can take the structure of these four people. So NH3, NH3, CH, Cl, Cl, Cl. So we have this kind of structure. Now we'll see their bond polarity towards them. Bond polarity, what happened here? It is pulling towards upward direction. It is also pulling towards upward direction. So resultant vector what happened? It will be straight upward. Now here, again in this case, this is pulling towards here, this is pulling towards here, this is also pulling towards. Two bond polars are there togetherly going. Here, three bond polars are there togetherly going. Right. Now you can see here, this chlorine will pull toward this direction, and this chlorine will pull toward this direction. This chlorine pull toward this direction, as well as this will pull towards this direction. Why? Carbon hydrogen comparison electronegativity. Carbon is more electronegative compared to hydrogen. That means what happened? So now here three vectors are adding. Here three vectors are adding. Here only two vectors are adding. Here two adding, one is cancelling. So that means what happened? So in this case, more electronegativity funda will come. That means oxygen is more electronegative compared to nitrogen. Then here funda will be cancelling out. Two vector will be cancelled out in this case. That is the reason. So CHCl will come least. So the A statement is correct only. Now come to the statement B. Statement B, what will happen? It is about the VSPR structure into the structures, right? Statement B. They're asking number of lone pair on central atom. Let me draw the Xenon. Xenon, what happened? It is belongs to the 18th group element. No? So there are valence electrons are 8 will be there, right? Now let us draw the structure. Fluorine, 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 fluorine. So 4 electrons completed for a bonding. Now remaining 4 electrons will be like this lone pair. Now go to the next structure. Xenon central atom. Here oxygen divalent, right? So we'll be having the like this. So one lone pair will be coming on this. Xenon difluoride. So it is kind of a linear structure. It's kind of a linear structure. So here, two lone pair will come on this side and one lone pair will come on this side. So number of lone pairs, in this case, one is coming. So in this case, number of lone pairs are coming to two lone pair. Here, number of lone pair is equal to one. lone pair in this case is 3. So it is clearly appearing that number of lone pairs of given structures are, it is wrong only now. Here it is coming the 3, here it is coming 1, here is coming 2. So the given statement is wrong statement. So A is right, B is wrong. Now go to the C statement. C says statement what actually is happening. Here bond length. So bond length what happened? Bond order. Bond order is proportional to the 1 by bond length. 1 by bond length. This one. Now here bond length depends on. You can also keep it as a so proportional to the. You can keep it here, right? Bond order. So this is first point. Second point, what happened? Bond energy, or you can say bond order. Bond energy is proportional to the electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. Electronegativity. This one. This second point, right? Now, third point, what happened? Size. Size of atom. Size of atom is proportional to the bond energy. Bond energy, right? Now, let us see here. In this case, in the case of third statement, what actually will be the answer will come out. So here, bond energy, bond length of OH, bond length of CH, bond length of NO. So bond length of CH. In this, highest bond length will be the having the person is nitrogen to oxygen. Why nitrogen to oxygen? Oxygen having the lone pairs are there. Nitrogen having the one lone pair will be there. So lone pair repulsion. Lone pair repulsion takes place. Bond length slightly increases for this case. So here bond length of NO will be more because of the lone pair repulsion. Then after carbon to hydrogen. Why carbon to hydrogen? Carbon to hydrogen electronegativity difference is not that much. So there is no that much of attraction will be there to less bond length. Then after last oxygen to hydrogen. Right? So here oxygen is more electronegative. It can able to have the more attraction towards the hydrogen. So bond length order has to be like this. So what they given here is the wrong statement. Now fourth statement, what happened in the fourth statement in this case? Bond order. So bond order, what happened? Bond order formula. We can use this one. So here bond order is equal to, so we can use as a 20 minus n by 2. If electrons between 15 to 20, or we can also use bond order is equal to, so n minus 8 by 2. If electrons 8 to 14, right? So this is the way we can able to find out here. Now try to find out the bond order in the case of N2. N2 having the 14 electrons are there N2. N2 having the 14 electrons. That means you will get the bond order will be 3. And whereas a O2 having the 16 electrons. Now this also comes under first case 20 minus and so 20 minus 16, 4. 4 by 2, that is 2 bond order. So here bond order is equal to 2 will come. In this case bond order will be 3 will come. Now hydrogen only 2 electrons. One will be 2 will bonding only, right? 2 electrons undergo bonding. That means bond order will be 1 only will come in this case. Another way also bond order formula we can use. Bond order formula what we have. Another one NCERT formula. Number of bonding electrons minus number of antibonding electrons by 2 that we can use for H2. So we will be having the bond order is 1. This one. So the given statement is this is the bond order 3, this is 2, this is 1. How? Here, nitrogen to nitrogen triple bond will be there. Oxygen to oxygen double bond will be there. Hydrogen to hydrogen single bond will be there. So bond order will be correct given. So A and D will be the correct statements. That means what happened? We have option A is the right answer.